You're going to need a thorough examination. We'll get x-rays, then we'll pop the old kneecap and take a look under the hood.
But Sophie, it's only a scrape.
Trust me, Mia, I'm a doctor. Well, at least I want to be a doctor when I grow up.
You know how many years of school that takes?
No? How many?
Like 1,100,000,000.
Oh.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Guess what I want to be when I'm big?
An airplane?
Zoom, no,
zoom.
a pilot.
Hey, that's what I want to be too.
I thought of it first.
We can both be pilots.
Zoom, zoom. Well, I'm the first pilot, so I sit here.
I'll be the passenger. Hey, what about me?
You can be the...
co-pilot.
Okay, but before takeoff, the co-pilot has to sit in his seat.
Attention, passengers. Hold on. We're flying upside down.
You can't do that. I'm the pilot. You're the...
I can't decide if I want to be an astronaut, a rap singer, or a farmer when I grow up. A farmer! Great idea, Kobe. Mia and Eddie are already dancing. Let's go to the farm and we can have a hoedown. What's that? It's a country dance. Come on.
Zoom, zoom!
Whoa.
That was fun. Take it away, Ziggy.
Hey, hey, we've got an adventure, and you can come along. A special kind of adventure, but first we sing this song. We sing this song. Sing this song. We sing this song. Sing this song. We sing this song. Hey, hey, we've got an adventure, and we're extra so excited. So here we go, adventure ho, and everyone's invited.
I'm coming too. Wait up, guys.
Let's get this party started. Tessa style.
Where? There's no room.
We can just dance around all this stuff. Hit it, Kobe. I mean, Ziggy. Oh, rats. This isn't really set up for a dance party.
We can fix it with a little elbow grease. We can make it spectacular. You know what this place really needs?
Yep, a dancing dinosaur. Roar!
No, what this place needs is decorations.
Boring. Dinosaurs are boring. They're distinct. You mean extinct?
That too. Wait, I have an idea. Balloons!
I love balloons. Okay, we can blow them up together. Deal.
We'll get some of this mess cleaned up.
Eddie, you're supposed to be blowing up the balloons. But this is fun. See? Edward Lazy Pants, we've still got all those to do.
Okay, okay. Here.
Look, perfect. Just be careful it doesn't blow away.
Okay, sit.
Good balloon.
Stay, stay.
Bad balloon.
Not now, I'm working. Okay, balloon, you win. I'll take you for a walk, but only a short one. I've got a job to finish.
Farm chores sure are fun. Do your job and soon you're done. Up and down, left and right. The barn floor goes from dull to bright. Sweeping sweeps the blues away. Not to mention dust and hay. Working, singing, we don't slow down. When we're done, we'll be dancing at the farm hold down. My balloon is up so high, whipping, whooping through the sky. The wind's so tootin' wild today. Those chores can wait while I play.
Yours, yours, mine and yours. When you have some, don't stray off course. Before we play our games and sports, we gotta finish our daily chores.
Sweeping up one last lick, my zooming broom does the job real quick. The farm's been cleaned by you and me. It's ready now, and so are we. Chores, chores, mine and yours. When you have some, don't stray off course. Before we play our games and sports, we gotta finish our daily chores.
Come on, let's see how Tessa and Eddie are doing with the decorations. Did you blow up all of these? Sure did.
But what did Eddie do? In fact, where is Eddie?
I bet he was off having fun while we all worked hard. Yeah, my elbow grease is all dried up.
Well, let's go and find him. Come on.
Whoa, whoa! What in the name of bouncing buttercups is going on?
Balloons are like dogs. You've got to take them out twice a day.
Eddie, what happened to helping?
But this is so much more fun.
Not more fun than dancing.
Does that mean it's time for the party? Here, boy. No, heel, balloon, heel.
Eddie, come on.
I would if I could, but he's too strong. Whoa! I'm flying! Woohoo!
Eddie, let go!
Watch out! Don't hit the... Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, no! Oh, rats! Our balloons! Eddie?
I am so sorry. I just got carried away.
You can say that again.
I'll make it up to all of you. I promise. How? I'll blow up all of my balloons while you go and have fun.
But Eddie, we came here to have fun together. And it won't be the same without you, even if you are a big airhead. We'll help you.
Thanks, guys. You're the best.
Swing your partner, do-si-do. We did all the chores, and so the work is done and job's complete. Now we can dance with happy feet.
Welcome aboard flight E-I-E-I-O, heading to Backyard International Airport. We'll be flying Tessa style with your pilot and co-pilot, me and Eddie.
You know, I'm not sure I want to be a pilot anymore. Any room in first class?
Sure. So what are you gonna be when you grow up?
Something where I can keep my feet on the ground. Like a chicken, or a race car driver. Or maybe a racing chicken.
Sorry, no racing chickens in first class, sir.
Swing your partner, do-si-do. We did all the chores, and so the work is done and job's complete. Now we can dance with happy feet.
Hey,
no dancing in first class either.
We may be little,
But our show is big. Play that music, it's a super gig.
our stories take us anywhere
Together, out to sea or in the air. Together.
Wow!
Our secret is imagination. No one needs an invitation.
Little people, big sensation. We can do anything together.